What is up guys, this is Kiran here. Welcome back to Tech Kiran YouTube channel. This is Ultra CVM, which is a very cool kind of alternative for Gcam, which you can install right now on your device. Right now I'm using it on my Redmi Note 8 running Redmi Note 9 Pro running Android version 10 pixel experience ROM, where you have a lot of features in this. We have the photosphere option, we have the slow motion, we have a lot of things options available here, which you can try out if you want to. How this Gcam works and which other things you get in this Gcam, is there any features, and is it better than the normal official Gcam? A lot more things in this video I'm gonna share with you, so stay tuned with that and make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's get started. Gcam is in the description. You can go ahead and install this Gcam directly without having any issue. So just click here and click on the installation instructions. It will be installed without any issues, maybe on a device. Right now I'm using it on my Redmi Note 9 Pro running Pixel Experience ROM based on Android version 10, and I have no issues at all. So let's talk about this Gcam and which are the features you get here. Just allow all the permissions, whatever permissions it will ask for you. Okay, so after installing, what you will see, which are the things you will see here. You have the camera mode, you have the portrait mode, you have the video mode, and some little bit of more things available. You have the motion option available here too. If we talk about the settings, we have almost same settings like the official Gcam or the Gcams available by Arnova and some other Gcams which you know about, Nikita Gcam, Pixel Gcam, a lot more Gcams out, the Gcam modes actually. Here we have the images quality option, and I have used a lot of Gcams. I didn't got this feature anywhere. We have the images quality to set to medium or to high or off. So this is a very interesting features which I get here, and yes, this improves your image quality if you choose a medium one or high one. I have noticed this one, maybe you'll notice or not. And also the motion option to choose the auto or off or on. So these are some cool kind of features you get here, including the timer options and the ratio option available here. While clicking photos, I have no issues, as you already know that this is perfectly working here. That's why I am using this. Also including the portrait mode has no lighting issues and nothing else is here. I can simply click photos without having any issues. That's working impressively fine here. Going for the night side is also working great here. If you go for the other things, let me show you the video recording here. If I choose to record videos, I have no issues in videos recording. Also let me show you one more thing. If I go here, I can choose to video recording up to 60 frames per second, which is interesting. So you can also record videos in 60 frames, up to 60 frames per second, or you can choose the auto option. You can choose the 24 frames per second, you can choose the 30 frames per second or 60 frames per second. So the things whichever you like, you can choose those. Also if you go here, we have the panorama option, we have the photosphere, we have the slow motion and the time lapse. These are all features which I have tried and tested and working fine on my device running Android 10 ROM, and maybe it will work on Android 11 also, but with some less features. Might be slow motion will not work for you if you're using Redmi Note 8, because I've tried this one on Redmi Note 8. Slow motion was not working on Redmi Note 8 running Android version 11. Not sure about Android 10 or Android 9. In Android 10 or Android 9 it should work definitely fine. If you go for the other things, let's find out some things which you get here. Going to here, we can see the settings option, and like other Gcams, it also has a lot of features. First of all, we have the option to customize the gestures, we can customize the grid type, we have the option to choose the do not disturb access, and if you go for the advanced options, we have the option to choose a save location or dirty lens warning, these kind of things. The one of the best features about this Gcam is this one: use instantness HDR plus enhanced. Deactivate HDR plus and use Pixel 4 HDR enhanced permanently. Quality may be different than the regular HDR plus enhanced, which is one of my favorite features out there, and yes, it will definitely improve your images quality while you click with this Gcam. This is amazing. Also if you have HDR plus control, so by default it will be not enabled. You have saw this on settings already, and if you enable this from here, then you'll be able to control your HDR plus, but just choose only one thing from here. If you choose this one, don't choose this. If you choose this one, don't choose this. So it depends upon you, whichever you want to try out, it all depends upon you. We also have some other things which includes the show selfie as previewed, social media depth features like you get in almost all Gcam modes. Now let's move on to some other features. We have the option of choosing the Ultra CVM setting settings. This is Gcam mode. This is not Gcam like that. This is Gcam modes mode. You can say we have the ultra CVM settings where you have option to choose the lip patch settings, where you can adjust the tone curve, a gamma curve, and lip patcher. These are might be some advanced settings which I don't think so a normal user will know about. So you can search for them if you want to, and if you're an advanced user, that's quite helpful for you. We have the front cam customizations, back cam customizations for AWB. You can choose which AW you want to choose. You can choose the Sony IMX586O film options. We have a lot of other things available here. There are a lot of things, as I already told you can customize with this Gcam, which will help you to increase your device camera configurations or the device camera quality, which is quite amazing. We have the XML configuration options available too. So you can choose the XML, you can share your XML, you can add your XML, you can add other third-party XMLs. There are a lot of features as expected. If you go for other things, we have the video recording options, which you can enable the 4K video recording options, but only for some devices, not working for all. If your device does not support that, of course you'll not be able to choose. You can also customize your video bitrate up to 100 MB per second, which is quite good. And at last we have this thing. This is Ultra CVM V5.1, which is based on ANOVA's 5.2 or 7.3, and these are all the motors of this Gcam. So thanks to all, and thanks to the developer of Ultra CVM. This is all from today's video. I hope you like this Gcam. If you like this, just go and install this. The link for this Gcam is in the description as always. This was all. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.